Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this look. Then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing this look right here that I did off camera. And I'll be doing this eye on camera. I'll be going in with the James Charles times Morphe palette. And today I'm just going to be using these 5 colors right here. So first I'm going to be going in with the R38 brush and going in with this color right here called to focusing on the crease area. Brush I'm going to be going in with is the Morphe M441 brush right here. And my brushes are clean. I was just cleaning them in here in this thing. And then the next color I'm going to be going in with is Code James right here. Oh my god. I'm having like really bad luck. Look what the fuck happened. Code James M44 brush. M441 brush. I'm putting it back in my crease. So things making a little noise. R37 right here with this color called 10% off. And with the BH Cosmetics 101 brush, blend them together. This is Cosmetics 104 brush. No beans right here. I'm gonna just blend it everywhere and leave no crease. Morphe brush, Y16 brush right here. I'll be going in with a color called Spooky right here and mixing in a little bit of Benny right here with it. Just like that. And I'm mixing it all together. I'm blending it all together. R38 brush, going back in with the color cartoon and just blending it underneath my brow. And just blending them all together with each other's little brush. Concealer by Benefit Cosmetics. Just with that concealer brush right here, I'm gonna be what is it called? Cutting my crease. I forgot what it was called. I'm going to be using this brush right here for the NYX glitter primer. The Nani glitter and number 11 and this little Morphe brush right here. Wait, let's see here first. Eyeliner on with the NYX, that's the point eyeliner right here. Again with the glitter primer. The Beach Cosmetics 101 brush. I'm just gonna be going around. I'm just gonna be going around where I cut my crease and taking off the excess glitter with the Luxie 237 brush. I'm gonna be going in with Benny and Spooky, these two, and just taking off the and I'm just keeping each brush for the one and get it off. Just all the way around. Like that. No beans and tea up here. I'm going to be mixing them together with the Beach Cosmetics 104 brush. I'm just going back in with the NYX eyeliner and going back over my eyeliner real quick since the glitter got all in it. Went in with the Maybelline Baby Skin. Just a little bit. Just a little more. Next, I might be going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation and then mix it with the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. And then just with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And then next with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and then Maybelline Concealer. Just went in with the chubby stick from Clinique to contour. Air sponge. What? Air sponge. And then the RCMA no color powder. And I may be mixing them both together. And then I might be going in with this little beauty blender. I got it at Walmart. Going in with the Revolution Photo Ready and light medium number 20 and just with this little Morphe brush and setting my whole face. Bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the butter bronzer and then this Morphe brush. Wild Contouring palette. I'm going to be going in with this color right here. City Color Be Matte blush. I'm going to be going in with this color right here called Fresh Melon. And with this Morphe brush. Setting spray, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. makeup mist and then the Morphe setting mist. I'm going to be going in with two highlighters today, and then the first one I'm going to be taking is Face right here, and then the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter right here with this highlighting brush. Next one, Rodeo Drive. And with this Morphe brush right here, this is what it looks like. No, wait. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put it here, and I'll do that. Tarte mascara. And then with these eyelashes from AliExpress and D108 lashes, I Kiss Adhesive Lash Glue. One lash. Eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm going to be going in with these two colors called Tea and Benny. These two right here. These two. Mixing them together and putting them on my bottom lash line. Just with a little flat brush right here by Morphe. And then another Morphe brush right here. 10% off and no beans. These two right here. Tea and Benny. Same thing with this eye. Same thing with this eye. Next, jumbo liner and melt. Just like that. Red and nude. From the Life Glam. Okay, I'm gonna be going in with the Life Glam. Oh Martha from Lexley. This mascara, my mom got it for me at a trade center, so And this is the finished look.